Inspired by the tradition and science of silk, this is Vesta. Silk is nature's perfect insulator with a 1,000-year proven heritage. For the first time, we're making high-performing silk a critical part of a good night's sleep. With trusted, expert silk farmers and weavers in southern China, we've spent years experimenting and refining our materials. Too hot or too cold, most duvets are filled with low-quality materials that actually bring about more challenges with temperature control, absorbing and trapping in heat. But silk is different. It's naturally thermoregulating. Its porous structure means that when the temperature is too high, the silk absorbs moisture and heat. When the temperature is low, moisture and heat is discharged from the silk to keep your skin dry. Silk is known for, well, its silkiness. When it's used as a duvet filler, the duvet better melds to the contours of the body. It's quiet and comforting. Our handmade duvets use a 10-layer silk mesh, while the industry standard is only 2 to 3 layers. Our bamboo duvet cover is the perfect pairing with the Vesta duvet. It's super soft at 400 thread count and breathable. Natural bamboo fibers have 3 times the breathability of cotton. The duvet arrives in packaging inspired by its origins. The cocoon, the woven basket, makes for a beautiful laundry or storage basket. This is Vesta.